All right. Ooh. All right. How's everyone doing today? All right. Good to be back with you all. All right. Uh, anyway, today I got something very interesting. People probably think I hate MX Linux or something because I actually never reviewed any MX Linux derivative, but I actually, I don't know. I don't care. Very good. What's good, Ethan? I actually think AMX is definitely better than Manjaro. Have to say. And this new distro I'm looking at, Extrox, is one of the contributors and main devs of MX. And they basically have like improved audio and that sort of thing. So I'm looking forward to this. So anyway, hey, I hope your coffee is as good as mine. Heck, I hope it's better. I couldn't imagine it. This is from Oaxaca. Or no, Chiapas. Chiapas does make some good coffee. So I see some people in the comments. We see Ethan, Ben, Isaac, and SS. Am I missing someone? All right. I know. You like bull. You like everything, Ben. You know what? You know what Ben is like? I gotta say, in the 80s, we had that commercial, give it to Mikey, he'll eat anything. Who remembers that commercial? Um, yeah, that's Ben. Like, give him a Linux distro, he'll use anything, kind of thing. Ethan, you're okay. You don't have to keep apologizing. You're totally fine. Hey, I just want, I don't mind you spamming me. Like if there was a problem, I would let you know. I may not get to reading it right away. I'll just warn you because, well, I'm kind of a busy guy these days. And anyway, how was how was everyone's weekend? That's what I want to know. Yesterday I went to church. It was great. Worship the Lord while he can be found. And give your life to Jesus. It's the greatest thing ever. Yeah. I know you're not. Yeah. Anyway, my weekend was great. And I ate some really good tacos yesterday. Oh my god. Ooh. Yeah. Yeah, I ate some really good tacos. Anyway, in the first hour, we're going to take a look at this. But before that, I have a little something to show you. I wish I could have Friday's stream back. I really do. Because everything was working and I didn't realize it. So, I'm just going to show it to you. Right there. Boom. All right. So now we're going to go boom. All right. Now we do and that should, here we are. There's my guide. This just made me look a little bit more white, but and did I blow that up a little too much? No, this is good. This is the basically like, you know, mathematical equations and everything else. I just didn't really oh, cool. I look forward to seeing that. So anyway, I did that. I figured this out. Took me a while to figure it out, but it basically, the problem was I had a couple of errors and it wasn't compiling. See, in LaTeX, when it doesn't compile, it tells you. It didn't tell me here, so very good. And I have one that will transfer over to like a PDF and that sort of thing. So that's cool. And yeah, I look forward to seeing that. Oh, Redux, your next gen OS. Ooh, let's see. Let's take a look at this real quick. Let's visit the site. Ooh, nice. I think I did. Ooh, yeah, I like it. Wow. We have a microkernel based operating system written in Rust. As you know, I pretty much hate Rust. What? You don't hear me? That's you. No. That's you, I think. Oh, Fort Wayne, Indiana. All right. Very good. So you work at the Goodwill. All right. Cool deal. Nice little job there. So anyway, no, it's you. I'm I'm telling you, my volume's fine. No, it's you. Anyone else have a problem hearing me? I'm pretty sure it's you, Ben. Yeah, yeah, very good. Anyway, yeah. So definitely you, I think. If anyone has a problem hearing me, let me know. Yeah, it's either your driver or something. Yeah. Pulse audio. Yeah, just look at Pavu control. It's just, it probably changed volume sinks or something. Wow. All right. I will definitely take a look at this. However, be forewarned, I hate the Rust programming language, but it's interesting, right? And would I ever use it? Probably not, but I would definitely check this out. Yeah. I mean, you can hear elsewhere. I'm not sure what that is. Okay. All right. Oh, you can hear from like other videos. I gotcha. I don't know what that is, but it's you must be muted or something. Like everyone else hears me. Uh Restart your computer maybe? I don't know. Um Um, I think Benji was using Manjaro. I think that's the problem. Wow, this is pretty cool, though. I would definitely take a look at this. The only thing that with Linux and BSD programs. Source. Wow, that's interesting. So let's see here. Wow. Huh. You created. Okay. All right. Sounds good, Ethan. Wow, I bet. Yeah, should be limited drivers, but I would definitely take a look at this. It's good to check out in a virtual box. I don't think I would ever use it, but wow, that's quite the laptop, isn't it? Yeah, I would definitely want to take a look at that on this channel. Yeah, anything that shows people what they can do with their computer, like something different, I want to show. Even Wayland stuff I want to show, even though I don't necessarily personally use Wayland. Although I've been thinking about doing like DWL. That seems kind of interesting to me. Anyway, um oh, you had to reload your browser. Okay. All right, sounds good. So maybe we can't blame it on Manjaro. I'm just playing. Okay, let's see here. So now, all right, so let's take a look at this Introx. This is basically kind of what it's like. It's a Japanese guy, gal. He says he's male, so I'll just take their word for it. I don't want to like, uh, just looks a little, you know, yeah, I guess he could be. Okay, no problem. I don't want to like misgender or anything else. It just, when I first looked at it, it looked like a woman to me. So sorry. Don't want to misgender anyone. I'll tell you, I respect everybody. Uh, just as long as you respect me, and uh, it's good. Okay. Well, anyway, I've already downloaded it, so this is going to be really interesting. And so now you see that that is working. I also did something else. Let's see if I can show it to you now. Yeah, I have spell checking in Spanish and English. I I basically configured the COC spell checker for both English and Spanish, and it's working. So anyway, I have spell checker and a few other things. Tomorrow I'm going to be installing ZK and setting this up for note taking and like the second brain. I was looking at this and OMG. And I also did something else. I updated my plugin manager. So now my plugin manager is easier than ever to configure. You don't really need to know any um you don't really need to know any Lua now. I've made that, like, for the most part, like, you're going to be able to get up and going really quickly. So there's that. We got it. And so anyway, I'm going to be adding a bunch of plugins and different configurations and that sort of thing. So anyway, without further ado, I'm excited. I haven't been this excited in a while. Not because of the distro. I'm just excited. I'm excited about life. Man. Extrox. I hope this works out because I don't know. Probably Debian 13, I would think. Oh, right. Let's see. Just 3. I should be fine with that. All right. Ooh, looks good. That was quick. Did you see how quick that loaded? All right. I am so excited. Anyway, yeah. Oh, this weekend has been so good to me. Wow, Ben. That was the quickest I have ever seen. Let's press escape. All right. Oh, I like. All right. Encrypt. Well, we might as well, Jesus. Yeah. Oh, right. We want Mexico City. Somebody asked me just yesterday why I love Mexico so much. Yeah. I find it humorous when people are like, "You're not supposed to love Mexico. You're supposed to hate them." I'm like, "Are you kidding me?" All right. All right. Getting help. All right. All right. Anyway, looks good. Looks really good. Wow. Buttons on the left side. I haven't had buttons on the left side since I can remember when. All right. Okay, so this gets grayed out until it gets complete. All right. We're almost done. Yeah, anyway. This seems to be trucking along pretty quick. Ben, I have to say this is probably faster than your distro, if I'm being honest. This is super fast. Broken Lockshaw. God, no, I wouldn't. Dude, is that a joke? Yeah, people know me. They know what I think about the GNOME desktop. Yeah, if you could figure out how to install your distro this fast, wow. This is actually a bigger image than yours, I think, or about the same. This is quick. It's installing Grom. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Updating init RAM file system. Okay. All right, automatic reboot. All right. Yeah, I don't know. Look at this project. Yeah. This is interesting. Yeah, you won't be catching me using the GNOME desktop. It's funny, every live stream, are you going to use the GNOME desktop? And I'm like, probably not. All right. So look at this. Yeah, I know. I'm just saying. I think this is a one-man team right here, if I'm not mistaken. So every time I change this, okay, we're gonna undo. Interesting. Yeah, that's for sure. Maybe not today, but yeah. I would like to start making music, actually. I got a couple of guys at church I play with sometimes. Oh, right. Good God. Oh, man. Yeah, you'll never see me install GNOME. I'm like, oh, let's see what we got for wallpapers. All right, I can remove that installer. Go to yeah, you will never see. Oh, nice. So there's a little bit of a hiccup right here. I think that's probably like the default. That looks pretty nice. Okay. Wow. I don't know. I don't think you guys hear this, but every time I click on like a menu, I get this click. I don't like that. We got to do this. Yeah. Honestly, I would nuke the GNOME desktop off the face of the earth if I could. Yeah. I mean, honestly, like, I don't want to be mean to them or something, or, act like, like I have like all this animosity towards them, but I just don't agree with like all the virtue signaling and like how they deal with things, and so I'll just leave it at that. Trying to be good today. All right. It's probably under MX Tools, System Sounds. Yeah, event sounds. Yeah, we don't want any of that. All right. Now I think I closed it. Yes. Good. I got rid of it. That is annoying. But okay. Okay, Broken Lockshaw. I don't mind KDE. It's not my favorite desktop. I mean, I'm using it right now, but it's not my favorite. But I am big fans of those developers. Those are some good people. I've had a couple of issues and I've reached out to them, and they've always been very supportive of what I was trying to accomplish and gave me some really good feedback. So I really like those guys. I can't say the same about the GNOME devs. I'm sure there are good GNOME devs, and I would be more than happy to talk to one of them on this channel and just try to figure out like how do I navigate certain issues when like you can't even, I don't know, criticize people. Or and I don't really want to criticize anyone, but like when I got a problem and I'm trying to fix it and they're like, yeah, you don't really have a problem. It's like, well, I do actually. Like, all right, let's see about this full upgrade. I like I actually like the aesthetics here. These aesthetics are really nice. Yeah, sure. Yeah. Wow, those aesthetics are really nice. So let's see here. Let's take a look at this. Let's see. I think this is just the XFCE terminal, I think, right? Yeah. Wow. That's impressive. I do like that. Let's see what kind of other settings that they have. Let's go to the appearance. All right. Let's go to the icons, style. Orange dark. Oh. Okay, so this isn't all right. Let's see here. Oh, this is Compiz. Watch, I bet you. I just figured this out. Window decoration, yeah. Enable. So if I did that, uh-huh. Got it. All right, I'll see you later, Ethan. Huh. That's cool. So this is, and let's see. Oh, they didn't check wobbly windows. Where's wob? There we go. Doesn't work very well in a virtual machine, but go back here. Let's go to the last one. Random. I always like that right there. Now, and see if you just like if you did another one, like yeah. Yeah, he didn't put it on by default, but that's fine. Easy enough. All right, so let's take a look. I have to say, I'm really curious about testing the audio of this. I don't know how I would do that, but it's supposed to supposedly has some it supposedly has some, oh, good God, I just had a brain fart. Yeah. So, basically, very good. So, yeah. I forgot what I was gonna say, but basically, this is the audio, right? So supposedly it has some advanced audio stuff that the creator, I guess he made something like some sort of add-on for something, and it's supposed to have better sound. I was reading about that earlier today. Um, very. Oh, right here, this analyzer. Let's see. Oh, wow. Wow. I see. I wonder if this is like in and out, but very good. Okay, 16, 12, 16 channel. Very good. About me, let's see. Okay. I thought he was going to say something about himself. A/B tester for stereo. Okay. Lots of artistic delay, auto gain, bash config, beat breather, Bluetooth, catfish. I'd be willing to try some of this. Of course, Compiz, Deb installer, direct 12 instrumental set. Wow. I'd almost use this. I have to say, I'm really impressed with this. Maybe it would improve my sound a little bit. And I want to see okay, ebooks, foliate, flanger. Ooh, nice. Calculator, gedit, simple MTP client, got compressor. H top, of course. Latency meter. Ooh, nice. LibreOffice. You don't need LibreOffice. Live USB kernel updater. Lollipop. LSP mixer. Ooh. Lucky backup. Super user. I don't know what all that is. Very simple screen magnifier. Mahjong. Midnight Commander, folks. Mid-side split multi-band compressor, blah, blah. Oh, lots of audio stuff. I'm impressed. Moxie setup. All right. MX boot, MX stuff. Okay. We got Remaster Sys. I think that's what they used was Remaster Sys on this. Noise generator. On board One channel spectrum analyzer, whatever. Okay. Referencer, syn stereo, sidechain, split, blah, 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 blah. Yeah. Yeah, right? Let's see what this is. Oh, all right. Sorry. Uh, uh, stereo, everything. Strawberry. Awesome. Synaptic Package Manager. Task Manager. XFCE Terminal. Thunderbird. You shouldn't have Thunderbird on here, man. Does anybody use Thunderbird anymore? All right, UEFI Manager. Awesome. Volume control. Workspaces. Window Manager tweaks. All right, very good. Wow. Oh, let's take a look at like all the multimedia stuff. So like there's just a ton. Like that's like pretty much everything here. Yeah. So you definitely have some. So the only thing that's missing is like something like Ardour or something like that. Wow. I could see myself living in this and being perfectly happy if it recognizes all my drivers and that sort of thing. This is one of the better distros I've seen in a while. Let's take a look at um our I understand why he put this font in here, but I don't like it. That's respectable, 805 megabytes. Very respectable. That's pretty much, I don't have anything else open, I don't think, do I? No. So, yeah, very respectable. I really enjoyed looking at this, and I will say, I could live in this. I absolutely could. So, if you have some audio considerations, you're a developer, whatever, take a look at it. I would personally change the font because, well, of course I would. I'm a developer and that font isn't the most legible. It just wouldn't work for me personally, but hey, it's gonna work. So anyway, we're gonna go to the first break because I got me a little surprise. Man, I wanted to have Saturday back so badly. And the reason why is because I tried that. I don't know if this will work, so I'm still like on the fence about it. I'm not sure if this is going to work at all, but I think it might. And so I wanted to try that Arctic's spin again. And I want to try. I just want to. I just want to get that back. So anyway, yeah. So I think what we'll do, and this is let's delete that. Yeah, I want Arctic's. I want that Arctic's video back. Omarchi, maybe. Basically what I'm trying to do is have a different alternate init system, but also what I'm trying to accomplish is have a I want to have like a immutable desktop situation where I can write to root, like your root files, like Etsy user, that sort of thing. But it still is, you can roll it back. Roll it back 3 days, roll it back, a week, that you can roll it back. And I know you can do this with time shift, right? You can just, but I actually just, the immutable part is I have like a partition sectioned off that, when I go back and just reload my base system, every so often, that, a lot of the other, that a lot of the other applications are just erased. And so I have a lot of reasons for this anyway. It's an interesting project. I'm going to take just like a 2-minute break. I'm sorry, everybody. I just got to do one thing really quickly because I'm going to be here for an hour, hour and a half. There's no way that I'm going to be able to do this. So anyway, just bear with me in like 2 minutes. Oh, Marchie is great, but yeah, I know some people didn't like it. I'll be right back. Alrighty, I'm back. I want that video back from Wednesday. All right, so let's do it. Local CD-ROM. Go to Arctic Space. Yes. Actually, I kind of think that would be enough. Just give me 5 cores. I think that would be fine. Just fine. Let's do it. All right. Okay. Who's still with me? Yeah, the main con of a march is a full wipe of disk for encryption. Yeah. Oh, okay. Oh, I remember this. Okay. Root products. Good. 2. Pacman. Y. Get curl wget. I don't know if I need all of those, but all right. Very good. So, alrighty. Where is it? Right here. Here we are. Okay. All right. Alrighty. Right on. Okay, we got no. Hold on. Oh, right. There we go. I missed step 1. All right, good. So, all right. So anyway, who's still with me? Hope y'all didn't leave already. All right, so all right. Okay, so now we need let's see here. Just say 2 gig. Oh, hold on. All right. See here. All right. All right. We said 3 gigs. And let's say 8 gigs. And 10 gigs. Okay, so now need to 32 dev SDA1. Oh, all right. There we go. Always forget. All right. That label dev BDA1 ESP. And then now we are going to make file system utter fs l boot dev BDA2. Perfect. Now, I don't know what's up with this BDA3. And I wouldn't even need this home per se. But okay. So now, so now we're going to mount disk by label boot and make dir now boot EFI mount home mount overlay. So sorry, this is why. Oh, right. I gotcha. This is I knew this. This is why it wouldn't create it. Okay, there we go. Make dir temp arctics base. Now, this comes the good part. All right, you guys ready for this? This is the good part. Base strap temp arctics base devel S6 base log nd S6 Linux firmware grub Prober network manager neovim on man S6. All right, let's hope this is kind of fast. Oh. It would help if I spelled things correctly. Log ND. That's not terribly fast, but I'll take it. All right, how's everybody doing, man? Everybody just like all of a sudden just like went away or something. Like, what's up? Let's see how many people are on my live stream. All right. Okay, I got a few. So who's still with me? All right, I got 6 people. Good deal. How many people are on my... Oh no, I forgot to put out the Twitch one. Okay, no problem. Damn, that is crawling. Let me see here. Oh, it wasn't this. Okay, never mind. I thought it would. I remember now. We're gonna try and Give me a second here. Let's see if I can remember where this is. Because I'm going to nuke this. All right. Remember this. I should be able to install this pretty quickly. Yeah. So now we're gonna go in Etsy and D muralist. Rank mirrors the okay. Rank mirrors the and and see Pac-Man the mirrors. Oh, Pac, I know. Rank mirrors. Supposedly, all right. All right. I wonder how this is gonna work. All right. Oh. All right. All right. No. Okay, so let's do vim etc man man d here. Oh boy, I'm having a good time. All right. Alrighty. They say I can use rank mirrors, but I don't know how you do that if they. That's weird. Alright. So let's just put in a few. Alright. Server equals HTTP game mirror 1 artix linux.org equals OS arch server, and then you could just like, all right. All right, Ben. Sounds good. Artix Wheaton edu mirror strits k slash Linux all right, that looks good to me. Oh, I see. All right. All right. Here we are. That's more like it. That's what I was trying to do. All righty. This looks good. All right. On a unit to unit. Oh, interesting. The only thing is when you refresh, they're gonna reinstall all the snap garbage, I think. Unless you can somehow, like, I don't know. Anyway, we're almost there. Good deal. I am. Mm-hmm. Oh, good deal. Now we just have to figure out how to get rid of system D off of it and we'll be good. Oh, I see. Oh, we. All right. Ain't that a biscuit? All right. Let's try something else then. All right. I'm not sure. Um. Hmm. I did this I did this on Wednesday with no problem, so this is just bizarre to me. And so you know what I'm gonna do? Just do this and let's quit. All right. So we need some more disk space, I think. Hmm. All right. All right. So we need to delete that. Yeah. All right, let's try one more time. Dang. I'm gonna get this time. Oh. All right. Good Lord. Oh. All right. I know exactly. I figured it out. All right. Let's. Because I remember it was going, but it didn't go through that. So now, let's try that. I don't think I actually need more disk space. I think I needed more memory. All right. Root Artix. Okay. Yeah. Disk E. Oh, sorry. And actually, I don't think I need a home. I'm not even going to do that. Just should just be able to do just that. Okay. And good. Oh wait, hold on. And I remember this actually because I want to see what what is exactly in the overlay before I make that determination. I think I know. All right. So now we are going to make file system F2 dev VDA1. Now we are going to label dev VDA1 SP. Ooh, that it. I'll bet you anything. That was what was. Oh, yes. All right. Make file system extension 4. Now let's do butter fs l boot dev VDA2. All right, so now we're going to mount dev disk by label boot and make dir. This will make for a good video now. MNT boot if I MNT home MNT overlay. All right, boom. Mount dev. How about this? No. No. Boot. Defy. All right. All right. Hmm. Let's try this one. We're gonna have to do this one over if yeah. Oh, oh, sorry. All right. All right, all right, hold on. Let's delete all these. Got that yapping freaking dog outside. What do you mean? I have it right here. Oh, oh, I see. Okay. So you mount are in. All right, there we go. That label. This is a little messy than I normally like to do. SP. But make system butter S, because I plan on doing some. Actually, let's get this one. Let's just do extension 4 for right now, because actually I might just, if I get like this installed and everything, I might just be able to use LVM or whatever that's called. That's a possibility. Oh shoot. Okay. Yeah. Very good. Me, yeah. All right. Boot. Migder. Got it. Sometimes when you do some of these things, like every little thing really matters here. Now, I'm really not sure why that was, but it seems to be working now. All right. Major temp Linux base. Oh, okay. Now I'm gonna go base drop temp Arctics base base devel. That's 6 base. I wonder if there's like a base devel for this. Let's try it. I'm curious. You log in D 6 Linux firmware from this over network enter neovim. What are we? Six? I'm sure this is not going to be very fast. All right, that's what I thought. All right. Let's see how fast this is. Not fast enough. All right. So, Pacman, SYU, get, Perl, wget, vim. I don't know how many of these will be necessary, but I know git should be necessary, so just gonna install those really quick, like. Yeah. Oh, come on. Really? Oh, that's why. Alright. Alright. Let's see. Alright. We got a few here. And one. Mm. There we go. All right. So I'm believing this is gonna work. Oh, I see. Oh, I'm starting to get this now. All right. Isaac, ¿ya todavía estás? All right. Good deal. That reloaded. Okay. So this is a little messy, but I think I got it. Okay. Extrude temp Arctic space. Now it's saying it might have some side effects. So stuff user share zone info America Mexico City full time. Playing equals Good. Looks good. Password. All right. For exit. So I just have to remember that I'm user. So now we're going to go make squash fs temp Arctic space mount Arctic space SFS comp Z B 1M. All right, this will take a second. All right, it's looking good so far. I told you I wanted this one back, and I'm going to get Extrox Linux here fairly soon. All right. Okay, so we need to do that one. Oh, wow. Oh, I see. Almost done, folks. I'm just looking at some of perfect. This is good. All right, I like it. All right. Right. So now I'm going to do base strap nt base grub if I boot manager. All right, let's see here. What was that called again? I'm just gonna see. It's in my documents. Mutable. Oh wow, we're getting it. I don't know if I don't know like how this is gonna work exactly, but I'm very curious. All right, very good. So now we're going to go get clone https get STM mutable. Mutable. And the first one. All right. Hooks. All right. So see here. And what is it here? Oh. Overlay. Yeah. And okay, so let's see here. We are going to send this one off to. All right. Okay. So we're going to move folks to mount Etsy init. Okay. So let's see here. Let me make sure that it's there. Uh-huh. Okay. Righty. We're good there. All right. All right, my mother-in-law really getting. All right. We're gonna go MNT C A net just Etsy, right? Etsy. All right. I am really curious to see how this is gonna work out. All right. All right. All right. Hold on. 1 plus X 40. Move 40. Move. And T and C. Net. C guy. Well, we got one thing to do here. Hold on. Actually, I wouldn't, you know. I think actually grub long target equals 86 64. How about grub stall dev ADA? God. How about this? Can I just force it? Forced? So this may or may not. All right, so let's see here. Grub mk config. Uh-huh. Wow, that's fast. Probably because it didn't email. I don't think this is gonna work. But I mounted it. All right, how about this? Reboot. Oh, right. Exit. New mount. R. T. Boot. Let's see if this works. I'm sure. Oh. So it. Okay, so some of this did work. Okay. So we're at the end of it here. Really good. So this tells me a couple of things. All right. So I'm going to have to do this for this will take me another try, but I think I can probably get this. And I think this is going to probably work. Anyway, whenever you're trying something new, like sometimes it takes 2 or 3 times. And so I just wanted to kind of, rock the boat a little bit and see if I couldn't get this working. But anyway, everybody's kind of gone now, I think, right? Let's see how many people are still here. Yeah, I got 2 viewers. Well, God bless those 2 viewers. 3 viewers, something like that. All right. So, very good news. I'm going to get that back. So on Wednesday, I am going to be probably just fine-tuning some NeoVim stuff for a couple hours, and then we'll revisit this maybe on Wednesday, because I think I'm really close. All right, I'm glad you're still here, Ben. So, well, yeah, I'll just do this again. And I might do this, like I might try it one time tomorrow, and if I could get like the tutorial and then maybe test it out, and hopefully we'll have something to show for it. But anyway, oh wow, this was actually a really good this was actually a really good stream. I learned an incredible amount, and so I'm really happy everything worked out the way it was supposed to. I think I'm right there. It isn't long until I figure this out. And once I do, and I get the nuts and bolts together, I'm going to be able to create this from any distro. And anyway, we won't be dependent on systemd. We can use run at OpenRC. Sorry about that. Anyway, I think that was a pretty good win for today. This was a really good stream. Again, we're really close. I can feel it. I think that it's only a matter of just getting everything all fine-tuned, and then and understanding how everything works, and then we'll kind of have an immutable system. The cool thing is we will be able to fully write to we'll be able to write to root just the same. I'm really excited about that. So sometimes you do need to write to root, and even though I think maybe you should do it minimally for security reasons and that sort of thing, I think we're going to have something. So anyway, and my latency is terrible today. Wow. So there we go. Much better. Anyway, and that one distro that we were looking at earlier as well, we might take a look at that. For this Redux, I was looking at it, and seems interesting to me. I don't know how I can load it or whatever, but we'll look at it. It seems like an interesting project. So anyway, hey everybody, without further ado, hey, just yeah, take care of yourselves, and I'll see you later. God bless everyone. And I just want to thank, before I leave, I want to just thank Isaac, Scrub Ghost, and of course Russell. They're my highest tier patrons, and if you'd like to be a patron or something like that, subscriber, or there's links in the section below. You can go ahead and check those out. Maybe just buy me a cup of coffee. Any help is, genuinely appreciated. So I'll see you very, very soon.